Hey guys, welcome back. So we're adding 2 more birdie beds to the garden, taking our count up to 13. This one's a 15-inch by 2 foot. We got everything included. I find a drill and a Phillips head screwdriver is helpful, making the process a little faster. The assembly is super easy and the directions are easy to follow. You're going to take off your protective layer and then you're going to add your screws and nuts. And finally, you're going to add the edge protector to make sure you don't have any issues or any sharp edges. Now I've got 2 of them, so I'll show you how to assemble. It does come with a wrench, and I use that to hold the nut in place while I use a Phillips head bit and a screwdriver to tighten everything down. Now for placement, we decided to line it up on the east side of the garden with the 2 berry beds. They're all the same size. They're about 15 inches tall and 2 feet wide. It lines up perfectly. Now we're all out of our purple cow compost, so we got a couple bags of raised bed compost mix. We're going to mix this in and get these set up. In our first front bed, we are going to put in a jostaberry bush. Now, I don't know anything about jostaberry. What I've read is that the berry is similar flavor of a black currant mixed with a gooseberry. It's sweet and tart at the same time. I thought that was pretty interesting. It's a unique looking plant, so we thought we'd give it a shot. Now for the back bed, we're going to keep it in line with the blackberry bush. We're going to do the same thing, fill it in with the raised bed mix. And in this one, I think we're going to end up planting a couple pumpkins and give that a shot. Alright guys, so that is it. Our jostaberries are in our brand new birdie beds. We got those set up. I hope that helps. If you're interested in checking those out, I'll leave a link for those in the description below. Head on over to epicgardening.com and check out the birdie beds. And using the code BOGLIFE, BOGLIFE, get an extra 5% off your total purchase. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.